Visiting the doctor. I'm not feeling well. I'm going to take your blood pressure. Patient, nurse, blood pressure, doctor, clinic, doctor's surgery, waiting room, appointment, medical examination, inoculation, vaccination, syringe, needle, blood test, test results, prescription, medicine, medication, pills, tablets, scales, stethoscope, inhaler, nasal spray, face mask, sling, dressing, gauze, tape, thermometer, ear thermometer, first aid kit, tweezers, painkillers, antiseptic wipes, adhesive bandage, plaster, bandage, cotton pads, cotton wool, safety pin, adhesive tape, ointment, scissors. Verbs to describe illness: to vomit, to sneeze, to cough, to hurt, to ache, to bleed, to faint, to lie down, to rest, to lose weight, to gain weight, to drink water, to exercise, to heal, to recover, to feel better, to resuscitate, chest compressions.